there's a reason why they close these curtains. You cannot believe what's going on over there. It's rush, rush, rush. So I have to talk a little bit so that they can take their time to get dressed. And anyhow, about this song, Isang Lahi. In English, it's mean one race. Does anybody know this song, the Filipinos? Any Filipino know the songs? Oh, good, because if I made a mistake of the words, at least you would know, right? Okay. This song, when Beth told me that I have to sing this song, and I said, oh no, I've never heard of this. And then I went to YouTube and listened to it, and I just fell in love. It's just the most beautiful song, and the message, it's just wonderful. It's just so positive, and especially what's going on all over the world, this is just a perfect song. It's called One Race and One Generation. Okay, maestro.
Dito sa mundo, ang mga matang nakikita'y di totoo. May ngiting luha ang likuran, at paglayang tanong ay kailan. Bakit di natin isabog ang pagmamahal? Sundan mo isang